Introducing Photo Ready Taming Spray. This taming spray controls and eliminates flyaway hair. It is our secret weapon on photo shoots and movie sets, and the way a hairstylist creates a flawless upstyle. It has UV protectant to prevent color fading, and soy protein that will moisturize your hair. Mist photo ready at arm's length on the root area and use your hand to tame those unwanted frizzies. You are now selfie ready. Used throughout the hair to calm down flyaways. Remember, don't spray too close. Spray instead of hairspray when creating a ponytail and the finish will be flawless. Photo Ready is also amazing for controlling braids and upstyles. Once you try Photo Ready, you won't know how you lived without it.